Hello everybody, guess what? Nsfas is currently open for the second trimester, but it's only open for Tvet colleges. So there are so many ways that you can apply. Let me give you the information you need. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have good news for you. Nsfas is currently open for second trimester application currently as we speak. So I'll be taking you through step by step on how to apply only if you're doing it online, and I'll also tell you where else you can do it. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, it does not matter if you're using a laptop or phone. You go on your Google, you type Nsfas application or just Nsfas. You go into the page of Nsfas. That is the page that is going to take you on top on your right hand side. You press my Nsfas. This is how the page will be looking, and you press my Nsfas and it's going to load you to this page, which is going to require your ID number and your password. And I'm just hiding mine, and you log in. And it's going to lead you to this page, applying for funding. This is the page that is going to take you, and you press the apply now, the red thing, apply now. Then it asks you, are you applying for funding or not? And you must press yes. You are applying. And it's going to, do you want a loan or you want a bursary? At this situation, we want a bursary. You press that and you go down. You press continue. And it's going to lead you to here. These are just the terms and conditions. You have to go through this. This is a lot of things just for you to understand what is Nsfas about, what are the terms and conditions, who should apply, who shouldn't apply, and all those things. So you have to go through those things. And at the end, you have to accept that, yes, I have read all those terms and conditions, and that you're applying for Tvet terms and condition, and you must accept. Unfortunately for me, I cannot accept because this is not my account, and whoever the owner is, this already has Nsfas. Most importantly, the application is closing on the 31st of May 2024, so you better hurry because you have 2 weeks. So for any further information about Nsfas, you must go to www.nsfas.org.za. This is where you're going to get, if you are required to upload your documents, this is where you must go. Mostly if you are required, if you don't want to do this thing online and you want the form, you come here. This website has their details, their offices, every information that you might need about Nsfas. You're going to get your information here. So thank you so much. I hope this was useful to you. Hi guys, so I hope all the information you got was so relevant to you guys. So guys, and this application for second trimester is only open for Tvet colleges, not for everyone, as I explained to you guys. So if you need any further information, comment down below and I will answer you with immediate effect. I'll be on your case, and if you need any help, just comment down below. I will WhatsApp you, or go to my main channel or my Instagram or my Facebook. So this is my Instagram here, and this is my YouTube here, and this is, should I show you my Facebook? Nah, I think Instagram and YouTube are the best things that you should know. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and mostly don't forget to subscribe, because your girl is here to help you, help me make process in this life. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and mostly don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. I love you, and see you next time. Bye. Mwah.